Hey, present came for you. Says it's from Michael Bay. Wait, what the heck was that? Oh yeah. Those are my Pocket Exploder 9000. I've been waiting for those. You mean this thing? Gah! Get that away from me! What do you mean? Everybody loves explosions. No, not me. I hate explosions. Keep those out of my face.
Oh, we'll see about that.
Whew. All right. Finally. Heads up. Dude, what the heck? That was A5 Japanese Wagyu beef. That took me forever to make. Explosions are better anyway. Oh, finally. My new birth certificate. Now I can reclaim my identity and unfreeze my bank accounts. Incoming. Dude, what the f***? That took me weeks. It's gonna be even longer to get a new one. I'm never getting my bank accounts back. This is why I hate explosions. You'll learn to love explosions. Trust me. All right, time for a new max rep. All right, let's do this. 1, 2, Geronimo. What the hell, dude? That was really dangerous. What's the big deal? You're fine. No, that's it. I've had enough. You know what? I don't think this house is big enough for the both of us. What's that supposed to mean?
I reckon you know what I mean. I reckon I do. Nick one of these off of your stash. Looks like we're gonna have a good old Western standoff. I reckon we are.
Explosion. More like explosion. Looks like I need a new room. Oh shit!